All right, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to our outfit. And today we're doing the fresh cut for real. And we got the hair. We got the hair. We got
Okay, y'all, listen.
spray.
Okay, anyway, we're doing another slick back. What we doing?
Sleep back
I'm
ponytail.
gonna put the picture on the screen. Well, it's gonna be a braided ponytail, and I'll put the picture up here. And we're just gonna do. I know last time we did 2 ponytails. This time we're gonna do 1. Kylie really liked this hairstyle, and I did 2. Cooper.
I thought you got the purple one.
I know, but I know I'm trying, and I bought new products too, y'all. So, Cooper Anthony, stop. We're gonna try this, but yeah. So let's. Is he gonna let me do my stuff?
And we got the stars
And the butterflies. So yeah, we're gonna try.
We about to go crazy.
Crazy, y'all. We're about to do this slick back 1 braided ponytail, and we're gonna add some accessories to it. So yeah, let's get into it. But wait a minute, how did I start this video and didn't start the video? Okay, but all I did, I'm trying some new gel too. I have that eco style gel. I've been seeing people say that it lays their hair, so I'm gonna try it with my girl. I'm gonna try it, but all I did was in order to get this ponytail as flat as can be. Y'all know Kylie hair is super thick. I'm gonna say that every video. I don't know why, but I'm gonna say it every video. So if y'all get tired of me saying it, whatever. But anyway, so I want to do like a smaller ponytail in the middle to get that really flat, and then I'm going to do swoop up the surrounding areas of hair. So yeah, and I'm also going to use that Shine and Jam too. I'm going to mix those two together, see what they do for me, because your girl needs help. Your girls need some help to ladies, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna even part it down the middle to give it even flatter. And yeah, I'm gonna make my little smaller ponytail in the middle, and that'll be my base too as to where I want the ponytail to lay, because I didn't want it like extremely at the Coop. I hope y'all ain't hearing Coop. He in there tearing up something, baby. But anyway, like he doing in this video, like he doing in this video, y'all gonna see him just running everywhere. So yeah, I'm just going to try to get it as flat as possible. And what I'm going to do this time is go in with my blow dryer. I usually go in at the end of the hairstyle and like blow dryer, but I think on this one, I'm not going to think. On this one, I am going to go in with the blow dryer doing the whole process, so I can just get it as dry as possible. Let some of that product soak on in there to see if it'll give me a different result. Different lasting result. How about that? Okay, so after I get my middle part all slicked down, I'm going to now slick up the front half of her head. Look, I can't even talk. I'm going to slick up the front half of her head. That's a little tongue twister. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and then after I do that, I'll slick up the back part as well. I'll do it in 3 sections because I want this to be as flat and as neat as possible. And baby, I'm using this yellow brush that I bought, and I'm kind of breaking it in. Baby, it is tearing my girl up. Y'all see she was making them faces. Oh, I'm also going in with some of the Got to Be Invincible styling gel. Look, I'm just putting all type of products to get this hair to last and lay. Because, okay, so let me have a quick confession while I'm on this, okay? So, okay, look, I got the front down. Now, look, we're finna go to the back. Y'all see the back? Okay, boom, we got the back. So let me have a quick confession. So, I like these hairstyles, but I don't love them. And let me tell you why I'm not in love with them. Because I need something more longer lasting, okay? Because I don't know what Kylie does at school. You know what? I don't even know what she does at night when she sleeps. Like, I'm tempted to, like, spy on her. Like, do you go outside and wrestle in the grass and go outside and play while we in the house sleep? Because when you wake up, there's no way this hairstyle is like this. And I got a doctor on it every morning before school. Like, they just don't last on my girl, and I don't know why, but yeah, I don't know, it's either she's super rough or I need stronger products. So right now I'm going to try the stronger products because, you know, she's been asking for these different hairstyles, and I'm trying my best not to just throw it up in some box braids and some little scalp braids to the back, baby, because y'all know I will, or braid it up in a ponytail, because you know I will. So I'm trying to, you know, let her show her versatility and, you know, show her that she still, you know, can style her own hair and all of that good stuff within reason. But your girl is getting tired of these, and I think we're probably gonna do one more of these braided thingies, because I promised her that we'll do the 4 one. But after this, we gonna get us some knotless braids, because those are easy and manageable. And yeah, we're gonna go back to that. So that's my rant for the video. So yeah, so I got all her hair slicked up, and now I got my hair. I got the hair, like how she said in the beginning, and I'm back with the Queen Bee. I like Queen Bee so far. I know that I was trying another different. What is she? Oh my God, y'all see her? Lord Jesus, did she just bite at the camera? I think she was biting at the camera. My child, y'all pray for me. Hey. Oh my God, she back. She back. Look. What's she? Okay, you know what? Pray for always Austin. Pray for the Austin family. But anyway, okay, so I'm back with my Queen Bee hair, and I got the 4 packs in one, the 4 bundles in one, or whatever. And one of them, one bundle is just way too skinny, so I'm doing 2. And I took a little bit out of one of them because 2 was just too full. So just to get it right, I did like a bundle and a half, or a bundle and a fourth, maybe somewhere in between it. But get it to the thickness that you like. And after I do that, I'm going to do that same method of laying it halfway from the ponytail and the other piece towards the front. Cooper is going to interrupt my video every chance he get, y'all. Every chance he get. I'm going to interrupt my mama while she trying to be great. I'm going to do it every chance he get. But anyway, so y'all see what I did there. And I got it to the length that I wanted it. And now I put my, look, I'm even fussing him in the video. Okay, I'm back to business now. My bad. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, so that's what I did. Y'all seen me do this method 1,001 times, and I am on a mission to get it perfected by the last time we do this hairstyle. So we got one more time to try this, and the last time is gonna be the best time. I already know. Look at me, y'all. I pulled y'all in closer and everything so y'all can see. See, look, I'm getting better. So I'm going to take a piece of hair out, and that's going to be like my band, or I guess that's what we're going to call it. Yeah, the band. Y'all know what I'm using. I'm using the Got to Be Invincible styling gel, and I'm going to wrap that around the hair as I'm going to put that on the hair as I wrap it around. There you go. Boom. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. And I got the Got to Be spray as well. Like I said, I'm pulling out all the products. I just want this to last, because you know what I love about braids and braiding up Kylie hair is that in the morning for school, baby, it's very smooth. It makes everything so much more smoother, because we already go through a process of trying to pick out an outfit, honey. Oh look, I'm going back through my blow dryer like I told y'all that I was going to do. Okay, dude. We already go through a process of trying to pick out clothes. So I ain't, you know, we spend enough time on it. I ain't got time to be arguing about the hair too. So if I can keep that to a minimum, I will. And that's why I like to just do, like, you know, braids. But these are cute. These are fun to do. I just wish they lasted longer, or if I could find a better way to do it to make it last longer. But I don't, at this point, I don't think it's me. Baby, this hair, and I want to say it took me down through there, because I did not want to start this one under braiding. I wanted to start it how I regularly braid. So over braiding, I guess, not under. So I had to restart and start and restart, and then I decided that, okay, I wanted the band to be a little bit thicker. So I took some more hair and I started to wrap it around and do the same process again, because yeah, as y'all can see, I'm ranting this whole video because yeah, I'm tired. Y'all see what I'm going through now. You see, I don't want to see no more pictures of hair on no iPads. Don't send me no more pictures of how you want your hair. Okay, we're gonna rock this one out and whatever. Okay, that's how I felt about it. But yeah, okay, so I got y'all in a different position because I felt like I kept messing up because I kept looking in the camera too. But yeah, I finally got the process of over braiding, and that's what I did. And I also added product onto her hair and the braiding hair as I was braiding it through, because I know in the last video I forgot to do that, and I think that contributed to, you know, it being not lasting as long. But this time, you know, I'm putting it on there. I'm putting it on there. And y'all see it's a little, you know, it's a little touched at the top, but it's gonna work out. Trust the process. I got to see it through, my boy. I got to see it through, okay? Gots to. And as you can see, I'm actually going to ride the end of these. She actually wanted that same process that I did on the last 2 braided ponytail, where I added the super curly, you know, crochet hair in at the bottom of it. But I was over it. I was over it, baby. This hairstyle took me down through there, and it was supposed to be quick, easy, and simple. And I think it would have been. It would have been if I didn't do the wash process on the same day. That's why I told y'all in the last video it's a 2-day thing. But you know what? I'm adding her little jewels on there with the little butterflies, the butterfly clips, and the hairstyle turned out very, very cute. Like, look, the top part ain't even that ugly. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, it turned out really cute, even though it took me down through there. And I can't wait to do something that's more long lasting, because even though this was very pretty, my girl is rough. She is rough. She is very much a tomboy princess, okay? Very much a tomboy princess. And I just don't, she ain't finna keep on hurting my feelings and having these hairstyles last 3 seconds. So yeah, that's what we came up with, and this is the final product. All right, guys, here's the final product.
And we're just about to do curls.
Yes, she wants to add curls to the end. I'll see, like how I did on the last video.
Yeah, but it was big. It was like it was like chewy, but
it was chunky.
It was chunky. So we're just gonna make it like long. And she said, "Nah, I see about that."
I like it like this, but she wants the other curls that I added in the 2 ponytail one.
I just like a long curl.
Yeah. But this is the final product. You know, let me know in the comments what you guys think. And yeah, if you have any other hairstyles for us to try, let us know.
Do 4 of them, like that.
Oh, you want to do 4?
And then braids. Yeah, you should hit that.
Yeah.
Bye.